Welcome back to This Week AI News, your source for the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. We've got a fantastic lineup of stories for you today. Let's dive right in. In our first story, researchers have developed a groundbreaking algorithm that can instantly shut down malicious man-in-the-middle cyberattacks on unmanned military robots. Stay tuned for the details. In our second story, scientists have harnessed the power of AI language models to detect subtle speech patterns in patients diagnosed with schizophrenia. We'll explore how this technology is making a difference. Our third story takes us into the wild, where big data and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing bird conservation efforts. Discover how AI is helping researchers uncover hidden patterns in entire ecological communities. Some text goes here. Ever wondered if AI could have a favorite food? Story number 4 delves into the development of an electronic tongue that mimics how taste influences our dietary choices. Learn how this technology is changing the way we eat. The British Standards Institution is emphasizing the importance of closing the AI confidence gap to fully realize the benefits of artificial intelligence. We'll take a closer look at their insights. The UK government is hosting an AI safety summit, and we have the opening day agenda. Find out what's on the table for discussions and what global leaders are focusing on. Dave Barnett from Cloudflare joins us to discuss how the company is delivering both speed and security in the age of AI. Don't miss this conversation on the future of web services. Story number 8 highlights the UK's efforts to collaborate with global leaders on a statement addressing the risks associated with AI. Stay tuned for updates on this important initiative. Amperidee, an AI-powered customer data platform, has earned recognition as a customer data activation leader. We'll explore their role in the Modern Marketing Data Stack 2023 report. In our final story, OpenAI is considering manufacturing its own processing chips due to a worldwide shortage. Learn about their plans and the implications for the AI industry. That wraps up this week's AI news. Thanks for joining us on This Week AI News. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI developments. See you next week.